Have you heard?
No, tell me more.
Herbal Essences Smooth and Shine collections are back and more irresistible than ever.
Oh, brilliant. I was expecting better, but okay. Jesus, Nicole, calm yourself. Sorry, what? Press for assistance and it turns on an intercom. It spreads out in the whole plane. Good job. There's bubbles. What?
With herbal botanicals
And there's a shower on it. This couldn't get anywhere crazy.
of rose hips and chamomile. And with no silicone or sulfates.
No silicone or sulfates. It got crazier.
You'll...
Sorry, was that in small print? No silicone refers to shampoos, no sulfates refers... Alright, so you're misleading us. Superb.
fall in love with your hair all over again.
Why in Lord's name is at the door listening? It's a wee bit odd.
It's an experience everyone will be asking for.
Alright, so now everybody's just going to jump into the toilet with bubbles, with a shower, and crazy no sulfites, and sodium.
Herbal Essences. Say yes again to naturally irresistible hair.
No.
Share your first time using Herbal Essences.
They've even roped Twitter into this as well, for God's sake.
Oh, yeah! Yeah! Oh!
Don't move! I am done with the internet.